Have you ever scrolled through your feed and seen those super cute animated 3D characters and thought, hey, I want one of those? Well, you're in the right place because today we are going to create your very own animated mini-me. Let's jump right in. Seriously, in just the next couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to take any photo, any selfie you've got, and turn it into an absolutely adorable animated 3D avatar, kind of like this one. It is so much easier than it looks, I promise. And you know what the best part is? We're going to treat this whole thing like a super simple two-step recipe. You don't need to be a tech wizard or an artist. Honestly, if you can follow a recipe to bake cookies, you can totally do this. Okay, so let's get cooking. The very first ingredient in our recipe is all about getting the look right. We're going to turn your photo into a static 3D character that looks like it could sit right in the palm of your hand. This first step breaks down into 3 little actions. First, you just pick an image tool. Then, you upload a photo of yourself. And finally, you use what I like to call the magic prompt, which is basically our secret sauce. And here it is. This is the first magic ingredient. You don't have to think up anything clever. You just copy and paste this text right here. It tells the AI exactly what you're after, a cute little chibi figurine that looks just like you, right down to the hairstyle and clothes. It's that simple. And boom! Just like that, the AI does its thing and spits out a few awesome options. All you have to do is pick the one you love the most, like this one here, and save it. Step 1, done. See? I told you it was easy. All right, we've got our amazing looking character, but now it's time for the really fun part. Let's move on to step 2 and actually bring this little guy to life. And just like before, we've got another magic ingredient for this step. You're going to upload your new character image to an animation tool and paste in this text. This prompt is super specific. It tells the AI to have a finger come in and gently poke your character's cheek, making it wobble from side to side. And here's what you get. How cute is that? It's this short, sweet little animation of your character reacting with an adorable wobble. This is what adds that spark of personality and really makes your creation feel alive. Okay, so you know the 2 main steps now. Make the look, then add the action. But you might be wondering, which tools should I actually use? Well, think of it like a creative kitchen. You've got a few different gadgets to choose from, depending on what you feel like making. Choosing your combo is pretty key, so let's look at the options. If you want the absolute easiest route, check out Dubo. It does everything, the image and the animation, all in one free app. Super simple. For really stable, consistent results, the original method uses Gemini for the picture and Grok for the animation. Gemini is fantastic at really capturing your likeness. But if you're aiming for that super polished, high-quality, professional look, then you'll want to try Kuan for the image and Pika Labs for the animation. Pika Labs is just incredible for smooth, cinematic-style animations. So you just have to ask yourself, what am I going for here? Am I just having fun and want something fast and free? Or do I want to create something that looks a little more polished? It's totally your call. So, once you've picked your tools and you've nailed those 2 simple steps, you're pretty much done. Now it's time for the grand finale, getting your masterpiece ready to share with everyone. This is where you really add your own personal flair. You can pop your new video into an editing app like CapCut, drop in your favorite song, and really set the mood. Once you're happy with it, it's ready for the spotlight. Post it on X, Facebook, Instagram. It would make an amazing new profile pic, or just a really fun post to show off what you made. And there you have it! You did it! In just 2 steps, create the image, then add the animation. You've made your very own, totally unique 3D avatar. How cool is that? You now have a digital mini-me. So now that you have the secret recipe, the only question left is, what are you going to create? What kind of adventures will your mini-me go on? The possibilities are literally endless, and honestly, I can't wait to see what you all come up with. Now go get started.